I'm Emily Stabile, a whistleblower attorney and a partner at the law firm Phillips & Cohen. The modern-day IRS Whistleblower Program was started in 2006 after the passage of the Tax Relief and Healthcare Act. The program is administered by the IRS Whistleblower Office. Whistleblowers submit tips to the IRS Whistleblower Office on Form 211, Application for Award for Original Information. Unlike some other whistleblower programs, tips cannot be submitted anonymously to the IRS, but the IRS does protect whistleblowers' confidentiality. You don't need a lawyer to file a tip, but a lawyer can help you navigate the process and craft the tip in a way that might heighten the likelihood of success. The program mandates that eligible whistleblowers receive awards of 15 to 30% of the collected proceeds recovered by the IRS. The final determination of the award amount is made by the IRS's whistleblower office. To date, the program's paid out over $1 billion in awards to whistleblowers since its inception, and it's recovered over $6 billion in collected proceeds based on tips received from whistleblowers. There are some thresholds that have to be met in order to be an IRS whistleblowers. First, tips have to be filed by individuals. Some types of individuals, such as employees of the Department of the Treasury, are excluded from eligibility. In order for an award to be paid, the tax noncompliance reported must concern tax, penalties, interest, additions to tax, and additional proceeds in dispute that exceed $2 million. For an action that's concerning an individual taxpayer, not a company, that taxpayer's income has to exceed $200,000 for at least one of the tax years in question in order for the whistleblower to be eligible for an award from that action. Recently, there's been some improvements to the IRS's whistleblower program. In 2019, the Taxpayer First Act made several improvements to the program, most notably to improve communications between the IRS whistleblower office and the whistleblower. For example, the act requires that the IRS whistleblower office notify the whistleblower when a case for which the whistleblower provided information is either referred to an audit or for examination by the IRS. It also requires that the IRS whistleblower office notify the whistleblower when the taxpayer makes a tax payment with respect to an enforcement action in which the whistleblower's information is related to. It also provides that the IRS whistleblower office provides written responses to requests from the whistleblower or their attorney for information on the status and the stage of their whistleblower claim. Several notable awards given from the IRS Whistleblower Program. The largest award issued by the Whistleblower Program was a $104 million award issued in 2012 to the whistleblower Bradley Birkenfeld, the banker who blew the whistle on UBS. The IRS recovered $780 million from UBS. UBS admitted that it had helped its U.S. clients evade taxes. Other large awards made by the IRS to whistleblowers included a $20 million award made to a whistleblower who filed a tip under the discretionary award program before the mandatory award program existed. His information about an abusive tax shelter resulted in the recovery and in his $20 million award. In another notable case, husband and wife whistleblower team were awarded $17 million from the IRS program for reporting a tax fraud scheme in which a foreign business helped U.S. taxpayers evade federal income tax. The IRS collected $74 million in the matter, which was alleged to have hidden over $1.2 billion of income in secret accounts.